Vietnam is moving fast with a culture intact. Power flows into possibility. Our mission is clear: electrify to thrive and decarbonize the world.
Ladies and gentlemen, the electrification facility launch ceremony starts now.
And Mr. Sean McIntyre, Sean Affairs from U.S. Embassy in Vietnam. Welcome to the Energy of Change Summit 2026!
A very warm welcome to each one of you.
Because if you take a step back, the world needs a lot more energy.
We want to make some history with you because Vietnam's making history every single day.
The U.S. Embassy is proud to support American companies like GE Vernova.
At GE Vernova, our mission is to electrify the world. An investment like this one, grounded in local market but connected globally, are how we deliver on that mission.
3, 2, 1!
I must also recognize the hard work of the GE Vernova team.